So how can you disable the spotlight search on iPhone lock screen? Let's get started and let's explain that. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so it depends on your situation specifically and how many things you have turned on, but it can all be managed inside of your settings app where you need to find the Face ID and a Touch ID, Face ID or a Touch ID and a passcode section. So it's literally this page. You get inside, confirm your identity, and at the bottom, when you scroll all the way to the end, you have like a huge set of toggles, and the section is titled Allow Access When Locked. So this is the place where you decide what exactly can be done with your phone while it's in the locked state. So literally the first thing is the today view and a search, and you very likely want to turn this off so nothing gets searched when your phone is locked, right? So that's like the thing that you want to do. As you're in here, obviously you're going to play with the other options as well, like perhaps you don't wish to access your notification center or the widgets, which might also display some personal information. Perhaps you don't want that to be accessible without the authentication with Face ID or a passcode. So that's the important part. This is what you need to do. Let me know if we managed to set up your iPhone in the way that you prefer, right? Obviously, for more questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more and I'll see you later.